Hi, this is Mark Harrington from markharrington.com. This is a quick review of a new product from Tiffany Lambert. It's called Online Business Blueprints Volume 3. I've been a bit behind the 8 ball in reviewing Volumes 1 and 2, but here we are on Volume 3. I'm going to start on the sales page. So here's the sales page. She says, use this bundle of 30-day action plan PLR reports to guide your audience to a successful and lucrative online career. We're going to dive through to what is in this blueprint. Basically, what she's created is 30-day blueprints. So 30 days worth of action steps to solve or to tackle some of the issues or some of the subjects for online marketing success. So the first one is content marketing. The second one is website traffic. The third one is self-publishing. And the fourth one is multimedia blueprint, particularly how to tackle things like video and Pinterest. And then the last one is social networking. I'm going to step into one by example to show what you get and what you might think of doing. So if we just do the quick summary, then we've got content marketing, multimedia, self-publishing, social networking, and website traffic. I'm going to step into the 30-day content marketing blueprint. Is this going to tell you everything that you need to know, or is it going to tell you every topic you need to cover? And I think the answer is going to be in the latter. Day one is know exactly who you're targeting. There are just 3 paragraphs there on the key elements for the topic. Know exactly who you're targeting. So if you don't know what you're doing, what you've got to do is you've got to go and start doing your research on know exactly who you're targeting, on words like niche and stuff like that. Put yourself on a workable schedule. That's a very important and very pragmatic idea, is to make sure that you can deliver what you're dreaming of delivering. Make a decision about do-it-yourself versus outsourcing is exactly the same thing. As if you don't have a workable schedule, maybe you're trying to do too much yourself. So what we'll see is we have in each of these sections, we have 3 paragraphs that tell you broadly what it is you need to do. So if I want to step back, how would I go about using this PLR? Well, the obvious thing to do, the first thing to do, is just do it for yourself. You just sit there, spend one day and work out what it means to know exactly who you're targeting. So you read these words and then go and research it, write down the notes. And writing down the notes is a really important part, because that gives you a framework for doing 2 things. It gives you a framework for creating an information product that says, I've now filled out these pieces. And it also gives you a framework for running a membership training course, whether it's a Udemy course or a course on your own membership site. So at one level, it may seem simplistic. But when you go through step by step, know exactly who you're targeting, put yourself on a workable schedule, decide what you're going to do for yourself versus outsourcing, learn SEO for your site content. We're talking about content management. You need to know something about keywords and how to drive traffic to your sites. Master motivating and inspiring content. Make people want to read your stuff. Brainstorm and create a no-brainer lead magnet. It's no surprise that all this online marketing stuff leads to a landing page, a lead magnet, and building your own list. Working out how to monetize your key pieces, working out with a product review template so you can roll your own. Just keep crunching through reviews on an ongoing basis. Start amassing a swipe file of copy headlines. Borrow other people's email headlines, subject lines, because subject headlines are really important to get people to open your emails. And so you get a sense of there's actually a succession of great detail in here that you can start building your own program for building your own success, and then also creating your own product to coach and teach other people on how to build their success. Well, that all feels like a huge amount of work. I want to step across to the funnel. Let's just talk a little bit about the funnel. What Tiffany typically does in her funnels is she draws in content from her library of PLR that is related to her main offer. So let's just go see what she has chosen to do here. She's put a one-time offer in. It's for only $27, so you're paying $17 for the front end, $27 for the one-time offer. And this one, which is a little bit different to what she normally does, is a little bit tighter and narrower. She's just included 2 bundles for $27. The first one is a report. The first topic is achieving personal and professional success in life, which is all about stepping back and getting to grips with what's getting in the way of giving you the results that you're looking for. The second part of this one is a series of reports called Multiple Streams of Income for 2022. Funding your lifestyle as a freelance service provider, achieving success as an affiliate marketer, earning money as a digital info product creator, selling private label rights, finding success as a self-published author, and earning as a social media influencer. And what you'll discover is those relate very tightly to the topics in the Business Blueprints PLR Volume 3. Content marketing, multimedia, self-publishing, social networking, and website traffic. So if we step back and add to that, get the right mindset, is that the funnel is totally congruent with what you need to achieve to get success with Business Blueprints PLR Volume 3. Now I'm going to step across to my bonus page, because on my bonus page I've put in a section on how to use the PLR, which is here on the top of the screen. The first one is just follow the blueprints for your own business. Research what is needed for each day and make notes, detailed notes of what you needed to do, and execute them. The second point then is to use the notes to turn them into blog posts and social media posts. The third point is to use those notes to turn each day's effort into a course session or a checklist to make into your own product. And then once you've done that, is add the materials to a paid membership site. So that's what I would be doing with these materials, to add your own twist, your own story, your own content to the private label rights, so that you will stand out uniquely as a seller of this material, as someone who's actually made the effort to turn it into something special. So let's talk about the bonuses. Ultimately, what any form of online business success requires is you have to be able to build lists, you have to be able to succeed at email marketing, and there will be massive value for this type of PLR to run a membership site. So I have constructed a set of bonuses that help you with those things. The first one is a bonus called List Building Expert, which really helps you with the strategy of list building. The next one is on Email Marketing Made Easy, which goes into the nuts and bolts of how to get your emails to actually work. The third one is because a huge amount of the value from using this PLR will come from deploying it in a membership site, is I've put bonuses in to deal with membership. So the first is on membership authority, to how to start your own recurring membership site. The next one is called Membership Mogul, which is just a slightly different take on the same topic as on the easy way or a successful way or a profitable way to build a successful membership site. And then I've stepped across to the next level of success is you do have to be able to generate leads. So the next report is to help you to attract more leads, close more sales, and increase your returns from your marketing. And then the last one is that every single one of those 5 reports that Tiffany includes in the Business Blueprints Volume 3 has to do with or requires a lead magnet to construct your own or build your own list. So I've included a silver membership for Surefire Wealth, which gives you a whole series of private label rights materials that you can use for lead magnets across a wide number of niches. And you'll remember one of the first things that Tiffany covered in the first blueprint was make sure you know who you are targeting. So this membership will give you materials to cover quite a wide range of niches. So let's just summarize those bonuses we have. So the bonuses are worth $282, which is not bad if you spend $17 on the front end, and whether you upgrade or not doesn't matter. First 2 bonuses are to do with list building and email marketing. The third and the fourth bonuses are to do with building membership sites. The fifth bonus is to actually drive leads. And the sixth bonus is a membership to Surefire Wealth PLR library, so you can grab PLR material. There are materials there for lead magnets, but there are also materials there for products that you can sell. So that covers my quick review of Tiffany Lambert's Business Blueprint Volumes 3. I appreciate your time, I appreciate your attention, and I wish you every success in your online business.